How to create key or append an element to key? I have an empty dictionary. Name, dict_x. It is to have keys of which values are lists. From a separate iteration, I obtain a key, x, key_123, and an item, a tuple, to place in the list of dict_x's value key_123. If this key already exists, I want to append this item. If this key does not exist, I want to create it with an empty list and then append to it, or just create it with a tuple in it. In future, when again this key comes up, since it exists, I want the value to be appended again. My code consists of this. Get key and value dot see if not key exists, and dict_x dot and if not create it, dict_x key equals afterwards dict_x key. Append value. Is this the way to do it? Shall I try to use try/except blocks?
Use dict.setDefault. Help dict.setDefault.
Here are the various ways to do this so you can compare how it looks and choose what you like. I've ordered them in a way that I think is most Pythonic, and commented the pros and cons that might not be obvious at first glance. Using collections.default dict. Pros, probably best performance. Cons, not available in Python 2.4.x. Using dict.setDefault. Cons, inefficient creation of unused lists. Using try.except. Or
you can use a default dict for this. This is slightly more efficient than setDefault since you don't end up creating new lists that you don't end up using. Every call to setDefault is going to create a new list, even if the item already exists in the dictionary.
You can use default dict in collections. An example from doc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.